Good afternoon, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis, and this is for today, Wednesday through Thursday, August 26, 28, 2020, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GravSat, beginning today, Wednesday through tomorrow, Thursday. We have Typhoon Vavi now accelerating towards the north, passing well to the west of Jeju Islands, and it's now a Category 3 typhoon with winds of 185 kilometers per hour, and it is expected to make landfall along the coastal areas of western North Korea. Because of this system, the Southwest Monsoon will prevail across extreme northern Luzon, including the Batanes and Babuyan group of islands. Some breezy conditions and passing cloudiness with light showers or thunderstorms will be expected across these areas. The rest of the Philippine Islands will remain fair, hot weather, warm in the afternoon, with some chances of isolated rain showers and thunderstorms in small areas of the Philippine Islands. Meanwhile, we have another low pressure here, which we mentioned the other day that surface trough will become a low pressure, and it's already LPA 94W, and this system, as of this time and for the next 24 hours, still has a low chances of becoming a tropical cyclone or tropical depression. And the forecast of this track of this LPA, it will track towards the northwest to northward towards the southern islands of Japan. So it will track towards that direction within the next couple of days, and it is expected to become a tropical cyclone within the next 48 to 72 hours, and it's likely to be named as Julian as the next tropical cyclone of the Philippines. But good news, it won't have a direct effect to our country. But again, we have a slight flow of the southwesterly winds here over the Visayas, but it will intensify further. Expect some thunderstorm activity in the coming days across Visayas and Mindanao as this LPA moves towards the north. Outside of PAR, it's all clear. We have a shallow one here. This is actually a large shallow LPA moving towards the west-southwest. This might become another system. We are going to observe that in the coming days. So that's our GravSat. And as we look at our fast animation, this is from the NOAA Himawari 8 satellite server. You can see here Vavi moving closer towards Jeju Island, but it won't have a direct effect, just the outer bands, and it will make landfall over North Korea within the next 24 to 36 hours as it accelerates towards the north. And you have here the Southwest Monsoon affecting Taiwan and extreme northern Luzon, and here comes LPA 94W moving briefly towards the west, but eventually in the next few days it will track towards the north. Okay, that will be the track of our next tropical cyclone since it's August. And as we look at our zoom in satellite animation, here's from the windy.com, and this is the UMETSAT satellite loop. You can see some good weather across the Philippine Islands except for a couple of ones. Thunderstorm over Zambales and Tarlac area, Pangasinan, and also here across the portions of Cebu, Negros, Zamboanga Peninsula, northern Mindanao and northern Caraga, and also here across the northern sections of Sorsogon and also the southern sections. And here comes LPA 94W. Okay, so no worries on that system. And as we look at our 2-day wind, pressure, and rain forecast from windy.com, from the ECMWF and GFS model, we're going to include the GFS for the track of LPA 94W. So tomorrow afternoon, here's the LPA just to the near the power line, and it might be an active one tomorrow. And on the GFS model, the system is also here. Okay, and you can already see some westerly winds across the Visayas. On Friday, there you go, This is the GFS model moving towards the central Philippine Sea and some westerly winds across the Bicol region and parts of the Visayas. Thunderstorm activity over Mindanao. And as we look at the ECMWF model, the storm is here, likely a tropical depression or tropical storm, and with some isolated localized thunderstorms across Metro Manila, Central Luzon, Mindoro, Palawan, also across the Visayas and Mindanao and small areas of the Bicol region. And on Saturday, we're going to extend this since we have a potential tropical cyclone. On Saturday, 4 p.m., the ECMWF model still there, but somewhat moving very slowly. Thunderstorms all across the Philippine Islands in some areas. And GFS is here. On Sunday, there you go, it might become a strong typhoon as it moves towards the north. That's the GFS model, while the ECMWF model also towards the north, so that's good news for us. But the Southwest Monsoon might be enhanced once again. Okay, so far that's the update for the next 4 days until Sunday. We are extending it because of the upcoming tropical cyclone formation to the east of Luzon, but rest assured we are safe from this weather system. So there you go, that's the latest from Typhoon2000.com. We will be returning again on Friday to give you more weather updates. From Typhoon2000.com, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be hashtag weatherwiser, be hashtag typhoonwiser, and thank you for watching our YouTube channel.